So I'm assuming that that class will also help me to address any complications to help with healing, reduction of scar tissue, because it seems like it may be a repetitive thing she'll have to do. Also help me to address throat surgery and dealing with, intubation and those kinds of things as well. So just some.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yes. So you want to do for the inflammation lymph, and for the scar tissue, you can do lymph and some other technique we have, like the fascia technique. But you are going to have techniques to work on the different rings of the trachea, the cricoid cartilage, the hyoid, the thyroid cartilage. So all that is for intubation. And it's in the title, I think, you have post-intubation. And then you can also work with the scar, what you learn in Lymph 1 post-surgical, mapping the flow and helping to come back. But yeah, you also have often a ring of the trachea that's out. And people, for example, would have a lot of cold during the winter because they begin to have, laryngitis. I don't know why. They cannot sing as they used to sing before. They have little problems swallowing a little bit, And when you replace all that, wow, I can swallow so much more fluid now. And, I can sing again and, things like that. And if they don't catch cold all the time. So the throat isn't a weak spot anymore. That's yeah.